Hey guys, it's Anna here at Dee's with another Christmas swag kit. This one is gorgeous, and if you're a snowy lover, this one's going to be for you. It's kind of got a mix of everything going on, especially using a pick like this. This is a bigger stem than we normally use, but it does have a little bit of everything. It's got eucalyptus, some snow, some little birch, pine cones, and berries. And since it's so big and has so much on it, we're just going to use one of them for this, and I'm going to make it the same way I've made all the other ones. So if it's a little quick for you, just go back and watch the last one we did. It's slowed down a little bit, but it's made the exact same way. So what you're going to do is start out by fluffing the stem. This one is a little bit different because all the stuff goes up, but you're going to bring this first little branch down, so you can have some going up and some going down. It's just that simple. And then this little branch here, you're going to pull slightly out to the left. And this is going to be perfect on a lantern or on a wreath, or even like a pre-made swag. If you have a swag, say you have smaller doors or double doors and you do swags, this would be nice for that too. But I'm going to hold it up there and see, that's where my bow is going to go. And as you can see, it's spread out and it does fill in a lot of this wreath. So I'm going to chop off the bottom of the stem. And now I'm ready to tie my ribbon. So I'm going to set the stem aside. I'm going to use first up this really pretty aqua check. I like it because it brings in a little bit of the mint that's in the eucalyptus on the stem. And it's just a nice, really pretty buffalo check. So I'm going to start by making 2 loops of that. So leave your tail going up. Make a couple loops of that. Go on and cut that so it's out of your way. And next up, the Merry Christmas Y'all in the red has come back in stock, and I'm going to mix that with it. I just like the nice bright pop of red with the white. So first up, I'm going to leave the Merry Christmas Y'all going down instead of going up, just so I have the full wordage. So as you can see, I put the tail going down with the full run of Merry Christmas Y'all. And then I'm going to make my 2 loops. I think it's easier to go on and have the Merry Christmas Y'all at the beginning, because when you make the loops, you don't really know where it's going to end up. So it's just nice to know that you've got the Merry Christmas Y'all at least once. And then I'm going to cut it over here. I'm going to use that cloth covered wire and tie that in a knot right where my hand is. Now I'm ready to pick back up the stem. Like I said, right where that big gap is, where you've pulled some down, you're going to attach the bow. Just flip that over and tie it in a knot. And now you're ready to twist it on. So I'm going to go right here, kind of in the bottom left. Go to the very base of your wreath. You can always fluff those branches back up around it. So I'm going to twist that on. I'm going to pull some of the branches of the wreath back towards the front, just so it doesn't look like you've stuck it onto a pre-made wreath. It kind of looks more like one piece. So just kind of pull that around, fluff out your bow. See a little bit of a gap right there. I'm going to bring another branch. Okay, same thing over here. I'm going to bring one tail over here. Cut that one. Cut this one, and then this one, the longer mint one, and then there's the little mint one up here. So it's the same way we've made all the other Christmas swags, just a really pretty one, slightly different than what we've done with the snow and the birch. And this is going to be a kit up on shopdeeslouisville.com. Make sure to go on there and get it before it sells out.